Did you know I crochet? I think I can do a little bit better. Hi, how are you? I'm Gerardo Limon from Es Vida Limon. Thank you so much for considering and being a member today. I am very excited to announce some new opportunities to come and hang out with me. So what does it mean to become a member? First of all, let me explain. All of the videos, every single video that I will be uploading to the channel will remain free. This will give us an opportunity to get to know each other one-on-one, and also you will be supporting my efforts in providing you guys the content that you want to see. The way it's divided, there's 3 levels that you can choose. There's the Limon Family tier, the Limon Inner Circle tier, and the Limon Platinum tier. What do they all mean? Well, each one comes with its own perks that I'm pretty sure you will all enjoy. For the easy introductory price of just $1.99 a month, you'll be able to get custom image emojis and badges that you can use in our chats and also in the comments. That will distinguish you from everyone else in becoming a true fan of the Es Vida Limon YouTube channel. Not only that, but you will also have exclusive access to members-only videos, live stream, and also behind the scenes exclusive content that I will not be releasing to the public. You will also get exclusive access to a members-only community post. Consider it the YouTube Facebook. If you don't have those other social medias, you can follow me here on YouTube, and I'll be sharing my personal life and any personal tips or hints that I feel that I should be sharing with you all. Also, did I mention that you'll be getting a credit shout out at the end of all of my videos? So stand out from the crowd and join my introductory $1.99 tier. Do you want a little bit more exposure than that? Not only will you get a name credit in the end of all my videos, but you will get a verbal shout out at the end credits of all of my future videos for my Limon Inner Circle members. Also, anytime I go live and you enter the chat or whatnot, you will receive personal hellos and communication with me and you, because as a thank you for becoming a member, I'm gonna give you that extra attention whenever I go live. And the best part about the $4.99 membership is our monthly movie watch along live. So once a month, we'll be watching together. You will have to get your own copy of the movie, keep in mind. You can go ahead and watch along with me. I'll be live and we'll be reacting and crocheting or cooking or whatnot. We'll be doing it together while watching the movie, talking about it, and it's gonna be a fun one-on-one interaction time between you, my inner circle, and me. So consider joining tier number 2. Finally, the best one, tier number 3. Here is where you will be able to participate and influence my future videos. So if you ever want me to use a specific yarn or a specific style or whatnot, this is the tier to be in. Here you'll be able to influence my future recipes, any fitness programs, and also give some input on my designs as I'm creating them. As someone who lost their job during the pandemic, it is very important for me to continue to be working and sharing a passion of mine that, you know, whether it's fitness, whether it's through healthy cooking, or whether it's through crochet, I'm always there to service you guys and to give you guys a great time. So yes, those are the 3 new tier memberships available for you all. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I hope you consider, let me just make clear, there is no pressure at all to join the memberships. This is just an opportunity for those who are able to support me in providing you more content and more tailored content of what you are looking for. So go ahead, consider joining me, join that join button, and when you do, be ready to unlock all of the exclusive perks of becoming an Es Vida Limon member. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.